This is me, and this is my sister. Two blood-related siblings with the exact same backgrounds, parents, and genes. How is this possible, you may ask? Let's start with the basics. What are genes and what is genetics? Genes are a unit of heredity that is passed down through chromosomes of the blood relatives that precede you, and they help build everyone's personalized and individual molecules. Genetics is the study of genes. So, knowing that genes are passed down from generation to generation, why do my sister and I look so different? It's time I introduce you to the Punnett square. The way a Punnett square works is it takes a genotype or the collection of genes of a specific trait that each parent has and it crosses them together on a tic-tac-toe shaped board. Sound confusing? Let's break it down. A genotype is made of two letters and it can be two capital, two lowercase, or one of each, and they're assigned to a person based on their previous genetics. Capital letters represent dominant genes, and lowercase letters represent recessive ones. And if a dominant trait or a capital letter is in a genotype, that trait automatically shows in the offspring. So we take the two genotypes and combine them to show different possible genotypes for the offspring of the duo. For example, black hair is a dominant trait, and blonde hair is recessive, so black hair is the more common hair color. If a woman has been passed down a black hair gene, or capital B, and a blonde one, lowercase b, from her family, then her genotype is capital B, lowercase b. And although she has blonde hair in her genes, her black hair trait is dominant, so she has black hair. So the only way a person can be blonde is if they have the lowercase b trait. So let's say the same woman has married a man with the same hair genotype, capital B, lowercase b. They decide to see their chances of having a blonde child, so they draw a Punnett square. One genotype goes on top of the grid and the other goes down the side. Each of the remaining blank squared is filled by taking the corresponding letter of the genotypes above it and to its left. In this specific example, we get three different combinations, capital B, lowercase b twice, and lowercase b, which means there's a 1 in 4 chance of having a blonde-haired kid. Back to me and my sister, how do we look so different? Our parents each have a dominant brown hair gene, a capital B, and a recessive red hair gene, lowercase r, in their hair genotype. When you place two capital B and lowercase r genotypes in a Punnett square, you have a 25% chance of having a red-haired child and a 75% chance of having a brunette, and my sister beat the chances and received the ginger trait. And that's science for you, huh?